Hi guys, welcome to this new video. Today I've got a couple more words that I saw in the press that might have posed a problem to some of you. The first headline that I saw reads Une grève inopinée perturbe le trafic. Une grève inopinée, entre guillemets, in quotation marks, perturbe le trafic. Le verbe perturber, c'est to disrupt, d'accord? Inopiné, in this context, dans ce contexte, ça veut dire unannounced. D'accord? Une grève inopinée would be an unannounced strike. D'accord? We don't use it every day. If you want, the adjective unexpected would be inattendu. But the term inopiné really applies pretty well here, okay? Even though it's in quotation marks. I'm not sure why. Maybe because it's sarcasm, French sarcasm. I thought this headline was pretty interesting too. At least it contains quite a bit of interesting vocabulary. And it reads, as you can see, Des commerces et bureaux transformés en Airbnb. La mairie de Paris monte au créneau. You will see the expression monter au créneau quite a lot in the press. It's pretty trendy. It's been trendy for a few years, at least. They love to use it. And monter au créneau, it's completely idiomatic. It's pretty hard to guess what it means. But it means to either, I would say to go on the offensive. So it means that the commerce, you have to understand stores pretty much, okay? Un commerce. So shops or stores and offices transformed or turned into Airbnb spaces. La mairie de Paris is the city of Paris, the city hall. The city of Paris is going on the offensive. So they're going to go after Airbnb, okay? So monter au créneau is pretty much to go on the offensive anytime someone or a city, country monte au créneau. That's to go on the offensive, okay? All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, post it below. I'd be happy to answer. And don't forget to download our app, which is in the description. And subscribe to the entire course. You get 24/7 access with all the lessons taught by me. Very simplified, and you'll go in depth on every topic. Only useful things. Plenty of things you should have learned at school but did not learn properly, and things you would have learned in immersion. So subscribe to the entire course. You can then subscribe anytime. You can purchase any package that you want, and hopefully you'll join the over 1,000 students that we've had at Language City, and you'll see what it's like to speak like a native. Allez, à bientôt. Salut!